Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to verify your Discord account. To start, open the Discord app. Here, go to your profile from the bottom right corner. Here, go to the account. You'll find the verify button in red color right above on screen. Tap on it. Here, tap on resend email to receive a notification email on your email address. After that, open your Gmail account. You'll find the verification email sent to you by Discord. Tap to open this email. Now hit the verify email button given in this email. This will take you to this page. As you can see, your email has been verified. Tap on continue to Discord to keep using the Discord app. Now tap on your email address. You'll need to verify your old email address by following the same process. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.